In this session on how to use WavePro, we will now discuss how you create a new project. You start by clicking on this icon in the top left corner. The first page will ask for some basic information about your project. For example, your project name, what market segment it's in. This can be useful because on the home screen you actually can filter for projects in specific market segments. You would then give some information about your project case, normally case 1, and then if there's any notes you want, you can enter them here. You have an ability to limit what technologies you see. Right now we're only concentrating on UF. And then you would go to the next screen. Here you would put in a little more information about the designer of the project, who you are, who your customer is, where the project is, and then you move on to the last of the input screens, and this is where you set some settings specific for this project. For example, what currency you want to use, if you want to use dollars, if you'd like to use euros, and what exchange rate you want to have between the euro and the dollar you would enter here. These are specific for this project only, unless you hit the button here to make this your new default, in which case it would apply to all future projects. I'll go back to the dollar because I'm based in the United States. On the right-hand side, you get to pick the units for the project. Once again, you have a choice of generic US units or generic metric units. And if you would like to customize your units, you can pick user-defined. So for example, I want US units, but I want to have temperature in degrees C. So you could customize the units for a specific project. At this point, you are ready to create your project, and you just click this button down here to actually create the project.